Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to speed up a video in YouTube Shorts. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Alright, open YouTube and click plus and right center menu and click open and click speed 0.3, slower, slow, normal, fast and faster. Alright. Click on faster and start recording and stop and 0.3 start recording and stop. Alright, and click accept, check, start recording. Okay, this is nice, and press next. Caption is short. And click on left corner. Okay, press done. Visibility public. Location audience. Note it's not made for kids. And press upload short or save draft. Okay, that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye.